In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Windows 11 on your new PC and how to activate it. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually very easy to go ahead and do this. So all we want to do is go over to our browser of choice. On your screen, you might see like a little activate Windows icon right here. But all you want to do is go over to your browser of choice and then just type in Windows 11 download like so, and then all you want to do is click on it, and then you're going to see the Microsoft web page where it says download Windows 11. So you want to open that up. It's going to show the download, it's going to show the current release and everything, and then all you want to do, it says before you begin using the installation assistant, this is what it's going to show you. So you must have a license. So if you haven't bought one, go ahead and buy one. It says your PC must have Windows 10 or higher installed to run the assistant. And if you don't want to run the assistant, you can also create a Windows 11 installation media. It says if you want to do a clean install on a new or used PC, use this option to download the media creation tool to make a bootable USB or DVD. So make sure you at least have a USB for this, and then you can basically use the installation media on your USB. And then you can also do an ISO as well. And it says this is an option, or you can create a virtual machine to install Windows 11. So you can do either of these options, but I think installation media is the best one. All you want to do is go ahead and click download now. And then all you want to do is have that media creation tool in a USB and then go ahead and run it. And then you'll have Windows 11 installed on your PC. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.